You're right, everyone. I'm going to be reshelling this anyway, so I was going to be welding it up and putting videos up, but I'll show you the rot. It's going to be a lot of work, and for the price I've got the shell, it does seem really pointless, to be honest. When I brought it, I didn't realise there was this much rot in it. But you ready? That's a part I've cut out. If you look down here, everywhere, it's all the way down. Bits like this. It's just everywhere. It's really, really, really bad. Parts of the top mount have gone. Different places. It's just really bad. All around where the brake pipes go and everything, that's all gone. So, and put an axle stand last night, and all this is gone. All the way along, it's split. And then this is up inside the back arch. Well, you can see into the boot. So, yeah, I was going to repair it, but I've changed my mind. There's just holes everywhere in it. And when I brought it, I didn't find all of this. I never knew what I was looking at, to be honest. Now I do, but yeah, holes through here. I've cut all this out. And then bits like this can be replaced, that ain't a problem, but still, if this is that rotten, it goes to show what the rest of the car's like. Here you can see, all down there's the same. And at some point this has been done before, but it's rotted out again. So it just goes to show how fast the rot. There's some here. This side wasn't as bad, but it's still... Drop my phone. It's still rotten everywhere. And there's holes. Yeah, it's just... It's not good. That's what I'd cut out and tried to clean up. It's on the... It's on all the parts of it, on the outer metal and the inner metal. Top mount's gone. So I thought, bugger it, just reshell it. So, pop the bonnet. Problem is, when I brought it, it looked like a decent car. There was a couple of little holes underneath. But the engine's clean and everything as well, and it runs amazing. It's been tuned a bit. Not a hell of a lot. I think it's running 260. That's what they reckon when I brought it. So, but I've got bigger plans for it. But when I originally brought it, I only found a couple of little holes and there's a few little jobs to do on it, so I was doing those jobs. And then I did the interior, replaced the steering wheel because it was all worn out up here really bad. I've put the STI seats in it, just more comfy. I replaced lots of these parts all up here. None of these was working. There was holes in all of this. Someone had drilled it for a phone, so that's all been replaced. Yeah, so everything inside the interior actually works and there's no damage in it anywhere. But all the door cards. So the plan is to strip it, absolutely strip it bare and put everything onto the other shell. I'm getting the other shell in about 2 weeks and I'm going to try and document as much as I can on doing it, but I won't be able to document everything. So it's just going to be a pain in the arse because I do it on my own and I've only got one hand to work on it then, which won't work. And there's a few bits took off. I've done the boot and the exhaust yesterday, that grille, side skirts, there's a few bits. Some of the bits that I'll be going back on once it's done. I've got all these, 4 of them, 4 brand new gauges. I've got loads of bits everywhere to go back onto it once it's all done. So yeah, a lot of work to come. But yeah, I'll keep it all updated as much as I can, and I'll try and put up as many posts as I can as we go through it. But I need to get this stripped in about a week and get rid of the shell, so I've got room to have the other shell here. So we'll see how that goes. But no idea how it'll go. Never done it before. So it's just learning as I go. Alright then. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. There's going to be plenty of videos to come on this.